Hey, this is Doug from Doug and Nikki, and I have a little bit of what could be bad news or it could be good news. The microphone actually failed when I was doing this unboxing and description of the product. So I'm going to talk over me sitting there pulling the stuff out. I'm going to give you all the good details of what you need to know about this. And then we're going to take it, put it in the pool, use it and pull it out. And at that point, my microphone was coming back, and you'll get to hear the actual real-time review of my experience with this Hydrus Seal Plus robotic cleaner. This thing is so cool. Let's just start with that. I can't hide it. I'm excited. The thing was really, really cool. It's for larger in-ground pools, like you'll see ours. Has some really cool advanced features. It actually climbs the walls, and I'm telling you, it climbed the wall, drove over a seat that we have in there. We have like built-in seats, and then climbed up and was like cleaning the edge of our waterfall, which was just ridiculously amazing to actually see. I never thought it would work that well. It has intelligent route planning with an ultra-fine filter. It has sonar built in to avoid obstacles. It should be able to clean about 2,150 feet in about 150 minutes. I did a 2-hour test with it just to see what it would do, and I'll show you what those results were. I will tell you also, in the past, I've found a lot of these cordless robot cleaners kind of don't like going down in the deep end and then coming back out. They kind of get stuck down there. But as you'll see, this one did not. It drove down to the deep end, came back up, drove up the walls, cleaned the walls. It was really cool. For those techie kind of people out there who like the actual specs, the suction is 80 GPM, which is a nice strong suction. It actually has a brush on the bottom, which really worked well. As I said, it will run about 2 hours on a full charge. The battery is a 7,800 milliamp hour battery, which is really pretty darn cool. Definitely lasts longer than most of these rechargeable ones I've seen. It has an app that you can connect via Bluetooth and Wi-Fi. Super cool. Anyway, let's go clean the pool, see how it actually works. All right, well, this is a little bit different of a video than I would normally do, but my audio screwed up yesterday, so I don't have that. So while I pull this out of the water, let me tell you about this super cool robot. This robot is ridiculously cool. It has a 7,800 milliamp hour battery, which means it can run for 2.5 hours vacuuming, climbing walls. It climbs walls. It does an amazing job. It was really pretty incredible, super easy to use, and it is so good that you can see while it's running around in the bottom of the pool. I could see the dirt in it. That's how good it was. Let's pull it out, take a look at it. I'll keep talking to you about some of its features, and you can see just how much sand and dirt it pulled out of my pool here, which I pay a lot of money to have this pool cleaned weekly. All right, let's check this out. Okay, so I've left it on for a moment so you could hear her talking to you. That's an interesting thing too. When you first turn it on and you're going to put it in the pool, the way you scroll through the options, it tells you which mode it's going to clean in, depending upon your instructions. It is Bluetooth and Wi-Fi compatible. They have an app that you can run it off. Look at the sand in there. You can see that already. Let's pull this open. I haven't been in here yet. Okay. Whew, look at that. Look at all the sand there on the top. And then I don't want to fill, the machine has sand in it also. Let's take this, put this over here. I think it's wicked looking. How cool is that? All right, let's open this up, see what we find in here. Oh, Nikki is not going to be happy. Look at what it pulled up. Let me put this in the light for you here. Can you see that? There is some heavy-duty sand, a couple bugs, almost like straight-up dirt in there. That's pretty crazy. I gotta say, between the fine sand here at the top and the heavy stuff down at the bottom, that's pretty crazy for the first run where I ran it. Again, like I said, I have this pool professionally cleaned once a week, so I did not think it was going to come up with all this, but it still did. So I think my only answer is this robot is so cool. I've got to give it an absolute 5 out of 5 on the Doug score. This thing is just awesome. Okay, I hope that was helpful. We'll see you next time.